Good morning, students. Today we are going to study chapter food. What is food? Food, we all are eating food. Food gives us energy for our daily activities like playing, running, walking, reading. We are doing number of activities in our daily life. Are you think that if we are not eating food, then we are able to do any activity? No. If we are not eating food, then we become weak. We are not able to do anything. Food makes our bones and muscles stronger. Without food, we are not able to make our bones and muscles. We are eating different kind of foods. Each and every kind of food has different nutrients. That nutrients makes our muscles and bones strong. Our food includes number of things. What are these? Cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, fish, meat, milk, eggs. Food, from where we get these food items? We are getting this food from mainly two sources. What are these? Plants and animals. From plants we are getting pulses, grains, vegetables, fruits, spices. Spices include fenugreek, pepper. From animals we are getting milk, butter, meat, egg. These all the things we are getting from animals. On the basis of the food the organisms eat, we have classified it into three categories. What are these? Herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Now, what are herbivores? Herbivores are the animals that eat only plants and plant parts, not any other thing. They are eating only plants. They are called herbivores. For example, cow, elephant. Next is carnivores. Carnivores are the animals that only eat meat. They are not eating the plants. That are called carnivores. Carnivores examples lion, fox. Next is omnivores. Omnivores are the animals that eat both plants and meat. They are eating both plants as well as meat. These are called omnivores. Some human beings are there, they can eat both plants, vegetables, they are eating egg, meat also they are eating. That's why it's called omnivores. This all about the food. Food gives us energy, and from where we are getting food, and on the basis of the food items the organisms eat, we can classify it into three categories. Next, I have given the practice sheet. You have to do in this practice sheet. I have made three columns: herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. You have to choose from the above six organisms which are herbivores, which are carnivores, and which are omnivores. Which you think herbivores, you have to put it into herbivore column. Which you think carnivores, you have to put it into carnivores column, and others in omnivores. Thank you and have a nice day.